So first of all, write write things. So the name of the topic is, so let me take, so you have write the questions how to, so basically how do
How
things
do
work.
things work?
Okay, right, right,
Yes,
things work
yes, sir.
when different parts, different parts work
Wait,
together,
sir.
right.
Wait, different parts work together.
each part each
Each
part
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 is, has its own.
has its own job, right. For example,
Wait, sir.
okay,
Job
for example,
for exam. Mm, example.
gears in a clock
Yes. Mhm. Lock
move together
move together.
to show time,
Let's move together
to show time.
to show time.
Roots take in water
Roots take in water.
to help a plant grow.
Water
To help a plant grow.
to help a plant
Grow.
grow.
And
And
bulb glows
bulb close
when
with
electric current,
when
electric current
electric
current
current.
flows through it.
Yes, sir.
In the same way, in the same way,
Yes, sir.
in the same way, human body works,
The human
body
body
works
works
because
because
its
its
organs organs
organs
do
do
different jobs
different
jobs
jobs
to together.
to get
So
yes sir
so
yes
science helps us understand how parts work together.
yes sir
How parts work together
understand how
parts
parts
work together
work
together
to together
to make a system
to make
a system
a system
run smoothly.
run
Smoothly.
yes sir
So basically, our question is how do things work, right?
yes sir
So first of all, tell me, uh, if there is a bulb, so when the bulb glows,
when electricity flows
very good. When the electricity flows. So can you tell different organs in the human body?
what sir
Can you tell organs in the human body? Any two organs in the human body?
yes sir
What are those
heart
organs?
heart and kidney
Very good, very good. So very good. So so basically, these are the two examples that we have seen. So basically, so in the body, because heart has its own functions and kidney has its own function, so what is happening here, all the organs, they have the different job, right?
yes sir
Kidney has its own work, okay, and the heart has its own functioning. So what is happening, all the organs are working together, right?
yes sir
So basically, so in the similar way, like bulb, so for bulb we need the electricity. So electricity is needed and bulb is here. So that was why this is how the system works. So basically, now tell. So in the plant example, what happened? So basically, root. What is happening to the root? Root is taking the water. Root is taking the water. Like we drink the water in the similar way, roots in the plant drinking the water and it is growing, right? You got that?
yes sir
So so our last example is clock. So basically, you know how the clock work. There are some gear and some kind of spring. If we open this clock, right, so that is why we can say that there are some gears, there are maybe some spring, so they all are working together, right?
yes sir
So basically, in the examination, what they will ask you how do the things work. So you will say things work when the different parts working together. Each part has its own functioning. For example, gears in the clock move together to show the time. Why we use the clock? To show the time, right?
Yes, sir.
Why plant is taking drinking the water? Because it wants to grow. It wants to grow. Right?
Yes, sir.
So in the similar way, bulb is glowing when the electric current is flowing. So in the human body, as I asked to you, what are the two organs? And you tell, sir, kidney and heart are the two organs. So basically, what happening? All the organs they have their own functioning. What is happening? How the system is working? All the organs are actually they have the different job, but they are working together. So they making a some system which is running smoothly. Do you got it, this question?
Yes, sir.
So this was the one question, right? So uh, we are coming to the this is what we have done. So yeah,
Why do?
yes. So this was the example. So this is one first example, and this is so no, read the question first of all. Read the question. What you can see on the screen.
Why do events happens the way they do?
Yes, the question is why do events happen the way they do? So, can you tell me? So, there are two terms. One term is cause and one term is effect, right?
Yes, sir.
So, cause means why and effect means what happened, right? Can you give such one example which is coming into your mind in which why is happening and what happening?
Yes, sir.
Can you give some example from your mind? Okay, so basically take this example. Suppose there is a switch and bulb. So what is happening when you doing the switch on? So what is happening? You
Bulb will on.
bulb will glows. Okay, so what is happening? This is our cause. This is our cause, and this is effect. Bulb is glows up. That is our effect. Effect means what will happen after that. Do you got that?
Yes, sir.
What was the cause? Cause was when you were switching on. Okay, switching on the bulb. What is happening when the bulb glows? That is effect, right? Do you got this point, dear student? Do you
Yes.
got this point? Do you got that point, dear student?
Yes, sir.
Great. Suppose you are playing in the playground. So what is happening? You are pushing the ball, and wall is actually moving. Ball is actually moving. So basically, first of all, you just kick the ball, and wall just moving and just moving like that. So basically, what is happening? So when you push the wall, that was the cause, and the wall is moving. That was the effect. So do you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, in the similar way, what is happening? Sun is gives the heat, and water dries up. Dries up means suppose that when we have a wet clothes, right? When we have a wet clothes, so what happen when there are some sun radiations will there, so it will dry up after some time, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so that is the similar way. Sun gives the heat, so water will dry up. Do you got this example?
Yes, sir.
So in the similar way, what is happening when the raining will be here? So rain will fall. So what will happen? Ground gets wet. Ground will gets wet.
But
So these are the four example. So so do you know the terminology? What is cause and what is effect? If someone asks you, sir, tell me, give me one example of cause and effect, and why do the events happen the way do? So can you tell them?
Uh, when you will on the button, the bulb will glows.
Great, great, great. So basically, now we will write in such a way how you have to write in the exam if you got question like that. Okay. So see, uh,
Yes.
so can you see this is exam ready answer? Can you see here? Here the
Yes,
boy,
sir.
boy is actually showing thumbs up. So basically, yeah. So first of all, write the question. Why do events happen the way they do? Do you have write the question?
Wait, sir. I will write question.
First of all, write the question. Why do events happen the way they do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now write the answer. First of all, we will write the answer. Then we will explain you. So write events happen. Events happen the way they do.
Yes, sir.
Events happen the way they do because every event has a
Wait,
cause.
sir.
Okay. Events happen the way they
Because,
do because
because every
event has a cause and an effect.
mm, event has a cause
And an effect.
and
An effect.
yes, sir.
A cause is the reason something happens. A cause is the reason something happens. And an effect is the result. And an effect is the result. Do you have write that?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, just
I,
take your
sir,
time.
wait. I will write full.
Okay, okay, sure, sure, sure. Make sure, take your time, no issue. But write it correctly, right?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Divya, Pala.
So you have 4 minutes to write, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have 4 minutes to write.
Yes, sir.
Timer is going on, so you have 4 minutes to write. I think 4 minutes are enough to write this, right? You have to write this paragraph only. Dear student, 2 and 34, 2
Wait, sir.
minutes.
Last one.
Okay, great, great.
Yes, sir.
So, can you read out from your notebook so that I can understand whether you have written it correctly or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just
Events happen the way they do because every event has a cause and an effect. A cause is reason something happened and an effect is the result. For examples, the rain makes the ground wet and pushing a ball makes it move. In nature and daily life events follow patterns and rules. Science helps us understand these patterns and explain how events happen in a particular way.
so um, what you have understood from this paragraph. So it is when you got this in examination, you can also write in your own language if you know the concept, right?
Yes, sir.
So tell me what you have learned from this paragraph.
Sir means are events happen in the way because every event has a cause and effect. Example, uh, the rain makes the ground wet and the the pushing a ball moves the ball.
Okay, okay, great. So if you are
It,
finding it difficult, so you can also Speak in a very easy way. So when we are pushing the wall, so it is moving, so it means it is a cause and effect, right?
Yes, sir.
Great, great. So we are coming to the uh, so this is very important concept. So tell me, so tell me, I'm just taking this ppt, so okay, just tell me how many seasons are there in the year. So
Four.
very good. The first one is called spring,
Summer.
summer, and then again autumn, and then winter, right?
Autumn. Winter.
So basically, now the question was, what can we learn from the pattern in the nature? So basically, nature is follow some kind of pattern. So basically, the question is what we can learn from that pattern. So basically, what happens? First of all, plant grows in the stages, so we can understand their life cycle. So there is some kind of a pattern. So firstly, it was very small plant, then it grows a little bit, and then it grows a little bit. So basically, there is some pattern. We can see some pattern. We can see some pattern. Okay. So do you got that?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
do you know that there are some animals they also follow some pattern? So do you know that
Yes. Yes,
pattern?
sir.
So
Means ants will take their food by light.
great, 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 good, good, good. And you know that some words they actually flow in. They actually they make the V shape
Yes, sir.
while flying. They make the V shape. There is some pattern behind it. It is not a coincidence. There is some pattern behind it, right?
Yes, sir.
So there is also one pattern because there is day and then there is night and there is weather. So basically, nature is changing, and there is some pattern. So we can observe that pattern. There is day, there is night, there is weather. Now the question is, what we can learn from this pattern? So what we can see from this pattern? So so now write the question, what can we learn from the pattern that we can see in the future? This is the question, okay? You just write the question. What can we learn from the pattern that we see in the nature? Just write this question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have write the question?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now, first of all, listen carefully. By observing patterns in the nature, we learn how things work, how changes happen, and what may happen next. For example, seasons come in the order, plant grow step by step, and animal also follow pattern and behavior. These patterns help us understand nature, prepare for future events, and make better choices. So basically, what is happening? Uh, we have already seen there are four seasons. Also, animals and plants also follow some pattern. So basically, we can prepare for the future. Suppose that winter is going on. So we know that the next what is the next season is coming. So basically,
The
we
rainy season.
yes. So we will be prepared for that already because we know that pattern, right?
Yes.
If we already know the pattern, so we may be already prepared for that situation, right?
Yes, sir.
Great, great. So basically, timer is going on, and then you have to write down this answer. So write from here, exam ready answer by observing. You have 4 minutes and 48 seconds. 2 minutes and 12 seconds left.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so before timer, okay, great. So basically, okay, so there is no need of timer now. So basically, you have written, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me, what is the main crux you find out from this? What is the main thing which you have find out from this?
What, sir? Means this question from this question.
Yes, yes, what is the main thing? So basically, uh, there are some quick patterns. You can see some patterns. Okay, so patterns shows
That
order and pattern explain changes. So basically the main thing is we can do the prediction. Okay, pattern help us doing the prediction. Okay, dear student, do you got that?
yes, sir.
So basically this line is very important what may happen next, because from the basically from the pattern what we can do first of all, what may happen next, we already make some pattern. So what may happen next, if we already know, we can make better choices. This line is also more important, right?
Yeah.
So can you read it from your notebook so that I can understand whether you have written it correctly or not?
By observation pattern in
By
nature.
okay, just give me so you will speak it by observing, right?
Yes, sir.
Is okay, say again. Okay.
By observing patterns in nature, we learn how things work, how changes happen, and what may happen next. For example, seasons come in order, plants grow step by step, and animals also follow patterns in their. What is that, sir?
Behavior.
What's a
This is called as behavior, right?
behavior?
Okay.
These patterns help as understand nature, be perfect for future
Prepare
events,
for you will
and make
prepare for future events and make better choices, right? So
prepare for future events and make better choice.
okay, choices. So basically, what is the meaning of behavior? Suppose that uh, uh, we can also remember. Suppose that there are two students in the class. One is a good boy and another is bad boy. So basically, teachers say the one who is good, teachers say his behavior is good. The one who is bad, teachers say his behavior is not good. So behavior in the sense who is good and bad. So It is not good and bad something, it is something. Behavior means the way they behave, right?
How it will behave and all.
Okay, so do you got that point?
Yes, sir.
Great. So so okay, read the question, read the title. What is the title is saying?
How are some fruits sure?
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. So basically, some fruits taste sour because they have natural acid. I already told you, like there are some natural acids. That was why their taste is sour, right?
Yes, sir.
So after that, citric acid is the common acid found in the many fruits. So one more thing which you should know: if more acid in a fruit means more sour taste, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, these 4 points are actually very important. First of all, understand them in a way so that you can understand better. The stage of ripeness affects how sour or sweet a fruit tastes. So, what is the meaning of ripeness?
Ripeness, sir.
Yes.
I don't know.
So, ripeness means a fruit which is ready to eat, which is ready to eat. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it has prepared, now it is ready to eat. So suppose that if a fruit which is unripe, which is already not ready to, which is not ready to eat, so it will be more sour, right? So as it becomes ripens, it becomes more sweeter. So do you know that there is a season, like we eat the mangoes, right? Okay.
This season only.
Okay, so
Summer.
yes, yes. So basically, when we eat the mango, so sometimes the mango is like seems green, okay, green in the nature. So means it is unripened. So it is not ready to eat. But some mango which is very yellowish and it seems like we wanted to eat, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is ripe mango. So it will be more sweeter. It will be not sour. It will be sweeter because it is already ripens, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is the one thing, and there is a lemon, and in the lemon there is a high amount of citric acid, so that was why it is very sour. And basically, natural acids give the tangy taste. So basically, I hope you are clear with this topic. So we are coming to the question, right?
Yes.
Great. So write the question. Why are
I
some
wrote.
Write the question. Why are some fruits
I
sour?
wrote, sir. Question.
Why are some fruits sour?
Sir, I can write answer.
Yes, yes. If you wanted to write, you can write. So I can start the timer. Some fruits taste sour because they contain natural acids such as citric acid. When a fruit more acid, it tastes more sour. For example, lemons are very sour because they have high amount of citric acid. Green mangoes also taste sour, but as they ripen, they become sweeter. So the sour taste of fruit depends on their acidity and stage of ripeness.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So do you have right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So can you read it out so that I can understand whether you have written it correctly or not?
Some fruits taste sour because the contents natural al-
Acids.
al- what's that?
This is natural acids.
Natural acids such as
Citric acid.
citric acid. When a fruit has more acid, it tastes more sour.
Yes.
For example, lemon are very sour, but green mangoes also taste sour, but as they ripen, they became sweeter. So the sour taste of fruit depends on their um,
Acidity.
acidity and stage of ripeness.
So, uh, basically, what happened? So there are the four quick points. Okay. So these not you just have to explain what you got from these 4 points and explain in a very descriptive way. So tell what is the first point and tell me in the very descriptive way.
Means some fruits are very sour in some because in the fruits the natural acid such as citric
Citric acid.
acid
Great, great, great. Okay, that is okay. Now the next point is citric acid gives a sour taste. So
for example lemon are very sour because lemon are very sour and green mango
because they have
also
high.
is
Okay,
high citric acid.
great. So basically, what you have learned, if there is a high amount of citric acid, means it will be more sour in the nature, right?
Yes, sir.
So basically, what happen if the green mangoes also taste sour? What after they ripen, they become sweeter, right?
Yes, sir.
So basically, it is not just the acidity, it is also the stage of ripeness. So basically, it is ready to eat. I have told you what is the meaning of ripeness. Ripeness means it is ready to eat. We can eat it, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So if you know the concept, you can also write in your own language. There is no need to write it as same as it is, right? If you know the concept, you can write it in your own language, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So basically, what you will say in your language, sir? Sour fruits contain natural acid. So that is citric acid. Means if there is a basically lemons are very sour because they have high amount of citric acid. Means if there will be a high amount of citric acid, means that particular fruit will be more sour in the nature. If there is a less amount of citric acid in the fruit, that will be less sour in the nature, right?
Yes, sir.
In the vice versa.
Sir, shall I go to the washroom?
So what are you saying?
Shall I go and come washroom?
Okay, sure, sure, sure. Take your time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, Now we are coming to the next part of the question, and what is this? Actually, there are only two slides, and then we are coming to the end of this session. So basically, okay, dear student, in the yesterday class, we have read about the concept called why does haldi stain in our uniform that turn into brown or maybe something as red, right? So when we wash it, so basically, what is happening? So what happened before solving this or doing this problem? We just take some example in such a way. So basically, what happened? So haldi, right?
Yes, sir.
Haldi is something which we use in our kitchen, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
okay, suppose there is some haldi, and then that haldi is, as we already know, this is yellow in the nature, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So yeah, maybe something. Okay, great. So this is haldi. So haldi. So basically, haldi has its yellow color. Haldi has its yellow color. So this yellow color is due to what? Due to something called, which is called
Mom. Cardamom.
curcumin. This is called curcumin, right? Do you got
Yes.
that?
Yes, sir.
So if someone asks you why the haldi color is yellow, so you will say it is due to the curcumin, right?
Yes, sir.
So basically what happens? So do you know what is the meaning of stain? What is the meaning of stain? Do you know that? Stain means it's just we call it in Hindi like dag.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So basically what happened? So okay, suppose uh, okay, okay, suppose there is a t-shirt, and what we have done, we have spreaded the like haldi on it, right? And after that what we have done, so basically what we done, so what we have done, actually we take the soap, we take the soap. Now what will happen? This is haldi, this is haldi, and this is soap. Both will reacted, or maybe something called red color is there, right?
Yes,
Great.
sir.
So when this red color is there, okay, so both are when mixture, both will be mixture. So what will happen? This will this will this will whole completed into the red color. So there will be red color only. So after that, what happen? After that, what happen? When this red color is actually reacted with water, so yesterday I told you that we will get a kind of new t-shirt.
Okay, sir.
So basically that is also correct. But in the same way, okay, haldi will be removed out, right? Are you getting my point? Haldi will be removed out, but stain will be there. Stain will be remain there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, obviously it is obvious fact. If we actually wash it with the water, so the haldi which will be there, that will be gone away, but the stain will be remain there. Okay, that is the question. Okay,
Yes.
so so we are coming to this. I hope you got this point, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first of all, I am reading it. If a turmeric, yeah, means haldi stains falls on on our uniform, we wash it with the soap, the stain often turns red in the color. This happens because soap is basic in the nature, and when it reacts with turmeric, the natural yellow substances called picarin changes its color to red. This chemical reaction makes the stain more difficult to remove. So instead of going away, stain becomes red and stays on the cloth. So do you got what I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
So what is happening? So first of all, I am going. I am basically. First of all, write the question. Okay.
What we have to write, sir?
We have to write the question. Why does haldi stain on our uniform turn red when we wash it?
Yes. Over, sir.
Do you have written it?
Yes, sir.
Great. So now you have to write this answer, which is descriptive
Repeat,
paragraph.
sir.
Yes, you have to write this answer. If a haldi means turmeric, sorry, turmeric. If a turmeric or we can call it as haldi stain falls on our uniform, we wash it with the soap. The stain often turns in red in color. This happens because soap is basic in nature. When it reacts with turmeric, the natural yellow substances called curcumin changes its color to red. This chemical reaction makes the stain more difficult to remove. So instead of going away, the stain becomes red and stays on the cloth.
Yes, sir.
So do you have written it?
Yes, sir.
Great. So we are coming to the end of this slide. So basically, tell me. Okay, there is a very little activity, a very good activity actually, and great. So I'm taking black. Okay. So basically, tell me. The question is, what should I do if my coffee is too strong? So tell me what we will do. We will simply add milk into it, right?
No, sir. I will add sugar.
Okay, okay, that is a very smart answer. But basically, what happened? Uh, the point is, our coffee is too strong. Okay, too strong means uh, what have because if you add some sugar, what will happen?
It will be sweet.
Yes, sweet means it is too strong. But I don't want it to be too strong. I want it to be light. So what way I will do? I will add some milk into it, right? Because I want it to be light, right?
Yes, sir.
Because I don't want to be too strong. That is the question, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now the second question is, why did my cat have trouble chewing its food? So basically, so can you tell what will be the answer? Why did the cat have trouble chewing its food?
Travel chewing means what, sir?
Chewing, chewing its food. Basically, it is just like eating its food. Basically, what happened because cat teeth were not straight, right? So do you know, have you seen in the pictures how cats teeth are? So they are not straight, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is very difficult for her to chewing its food, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So what should I do? I forgot to bring your bathrobe. Do you know what is the meaning of bathrobe?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of bathrobe?
Means when we will go for bath, we will wear it full on body.
Great, great, great. So basically, the question is, I forgot to bring your bathrobe. So basically, we will say, no need to worry. I have my towel, right?
Travel.
Great.
Yes, sir.
So there is some mathematical question. So let me take the. Okay, so there is some question. So tell me, there is a question. Okay, so basically, okay, I'm asking you question. Okay, so there is some box, and in it there are seven books. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. In this one box, there are seven books, and if there are there is more, 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 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically, such kind of there are basically six boxes, and in each boxes there are seven books. So tell me, how many books will be there?
7 6 are 42.
Great. So I think you have already read it in the lower classes. So basically 7 6 is a 42. So it is a very good activity and you can answer it, right?
Yes, sir.
Great, great. So yeah, that is all about the chapter 1. This is all about the chapter 1. So what we will do, first of all, revise these questions and I will give you some kind of assignments. Then we will proceed to the next chapter, right?
Yes, sir.